Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming permissions and signing in. This ensures edits save to your account. Once done, open Google Maps on your phone or desktop and go to your profile. Make sure location services are allowed because Google needs precise coordinates to update a place. Next, tap your places, then choose labeled or home/work for personal addresses. These first steps begin the update process and prevent mismatches between devices, so double-check the account and permissions before moving forward. Now you edit the location itself. Pick an existing place or tap Add a missing place if it's new. You can drag the map pin to the exact spot or type the full address including postal code for accuracy. Then fill optional details, category, phone number, hours, because richer data helps Google place the location correctly. Once complete, press Save. If you're editing a public business, submit an update for review. Make sure your PIN sits on the building or entrance to avoid future confusion. Finish by verifying the update across devices. Sign in elsewhere or use an incognito window to confirm changes propagated. If updates don't appear, make sure Maps has sync and location permissions, then wait. Reviews can take time. If it still fails, open the place, choose Suggest an edit or report a problem, and provide clear coordinates. This forces a manual review. One key tip: clear the app cache or reinstall if syncing repeatedly fails. This often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.